This dance is called Three Little Birds, choreographed by XXX, Verdonk, Raymond Sarlemijn, and Darren Bailey. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, newcomer level line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, right diagonal, forward, together, forward, touch, left diagonal, forward, together, forward, touch. Section 2, diagonal, back touch 4 times. Right foot, back, touch, left foot, back, touch, right foot, back, touch, left foot, back, touch. Section 3, heel switches. Right foot, heel forward, together, left foot, heel forward, quarter turn left, together, facing 9, right foot, heel forward, together, left foot, heel forward, together. Last section, right diagonal, press right foot, forward, recover, forward, hold, left diagonal, press left foot, forward, recover, forward, hold. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.